So boys, and now we are solving question number 6 of exercise 11C. I'm making these videos in small chunks so that it can be easier for you with every means, like for the storage, for like having collective data. So this is question 6 now, continuation of the previous video. The question says find the number of regular polygons if each interior angle of a polygon is 140. Now, as we discussed earlier in this question, in question number 5, it said the number of sides of a regular polygon if each exterior angle of polygon is 90. So when we were solving question number 5, it said the each exterior angle, so we use the formula of each exterior angle, like sum of all the exterior angle divided by the number of sides. It gives you each exterior angle. Now the question is asking to us about each interior angle. So in that case, we will be using the formula for each interior angle, and the formula is that we discussed earlier also, that it says n minus 2 into 180 upon n. If you remove this n, the formula will transform into sum of interior angles. If you put this n, then it will be the size of each interior angle. So as the question was talking about each interior angle, it was giving us the value of each interior angle, so we will be using the value of the same data which is given to us. So since it was 140, so we are using the value of each interior angle was 140, so we equated this 140 against the formula of each interior angle, which was n minus 2 into 180 upon n. Again, remember, n is the number of sides. Since we don't know it, the number of sides, so how do we find that out? We keep the unknown unknown throughout the working, because this is the variable that we need to find out. So this will remain the same. So now we are opening the formula, like 180 n minus 2 into 180, that means 180 multiplied by the first term and then 180 multiplied by the second term. So 180 into n is 180 n, minus, as it is, 180 into 2 is 360 upon n equals 140. Then since we want to know the value of n, we will keep it abandoned on one side of the equals, so we will move n over here and 140 over here, so that it can be solved further. Or if you don't move it 140 over here at once, you can, it is up to you, you can move it later, like I did over here. I moved it later, but it is entirely up to your choice. Like if you move the n over here it is getting divided. When it goes over there, it gets multiplied with 140, so it becomes 140n. So then the whole equation transforms to 180 minus 360 equals to 140n. Now since we need to find out the value of n, we move n all the n's on one side of the equals to and all the constants on the other side of the equals to. Since this 360 doesn't have any variable with it, it is a constant, goes to the other side of the equals to. 140 goes over there, 180 minus 140 equals 40n equals 360. Then n remains over here, everything goes to the other side of the equals to. 40 is getting multiplied by n. When it goes over there, it gets divided. So 360 divided by 40, you get 9. 0, 0 cancel out, 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, you get 9. So in this question, the number of sides of the polygon they're talking about is 9.